Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to rename sections in your CV using the Curriculum Vitae application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Now tap on the menu icon that you can find in the upper left corner of the screen. Click on Rename Sections, which is the second option. As you can see, there are many sections that you can rename, such as Summary, Position, Objectives, Work Experience, Education, Courses and Certifications, Languages, Awards, Honors, Projects, Publications, Volunteer Work, Preferences, References, Links, Interests, and Skills. So if you want to rename any of these, all you have to do is tapping on the relevant box and delete the default section name, and then type in the new name that you want to give. If you are done, you don't have to press anything unless or until you are done with changing all of these sections. And after that, tap on the arrow button in the upper left corner of the screen, thereby saving all the changes that you have made. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.